Today's tutorial, how to read PDF files in Selenium C#. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to read and validate PDF files in Selenium WebDriver using C# without the usual complexity. We'll combine Selenium for browser automation and IronPDF for PDF processing so you can extract and verify content. First thing you want to do is make sure you've installed the required NuGet packages: Selenium WebDriver, Chrome Driver, Selenium Extras, and IronPDF. Also, don't forget to add your IronPDF license key in your code to unlock full functionality. So let's start by launching the Chrome browser using Chrome Driver and navigating to a web page that contains a PDF link. We then locate the PDF link using a CSS selector and extract its URL using the getAttribute method. Now here's the powerful part. We don't need to download the file. Using PDF document.fromFile, we can load the PDF directly from the link. Next, we extract all the text from the document using extract all text, making it really easy to validate content. We then check if the extracted text contains expected values like IronPDF and confirms the document is correct. Finally, we close the browser using driver.quit to clean up the resources. So now let's look at another approach, downloading the PDF file using Selenium and then reading it locally. We configure Chrome options to automatically download PDFs to a specific folder and then disable the built-in PDF viewer. Next, we navigate to a page with a download button and use WebDriver wait to wait until the button becomes clickable. Once the button is clicked, the PDF is downloaded to our specified directory. We then wait until the file exists on disk before processing it to make sure that we avoid file access issues. Using PDF document.fromFile, we load the downloaded PDF and then extract its content using extract all text. Now we can validate specific data, such as checking if the document contains keywords like payments. We can also extract text from a specific page using extract text from page, which is useful for targeted validations. After processing, we delete the downloaded file to keep things clean and organized. And then finally, we close the browser again using driver.quit. So let's go ahead and run the application and wait for the automated browser to perform its test. You'll be able to validate PDF content directly from the URLs or downloaded files. All right, and there you go. There's the result on the console. And that's it, my friends. You now know how to read and validate PDFs in Selenium WebDriver using C# and IronPDF quickly and efficiently. We really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more tutorials from us. Smash the like just to give us some love. To get started with IronPDF, go ahead and sign up for the trial on the site. You can download, install the package, and really experience the power of the software firsthand. Check it out, link below.